Welcome back to the Car Xplorer. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting and innovative travel vehicles to hit the road in 2026, the all-new Mitsubishi Motorhome. This isn't just any motorhome. It's a fusion of cutting-edge technology, comfort, capability, and that unmistakable Mitsubishi engineering spirit. Over the next few minutes, we'll break down everything from the stunning design and luxurious interior to the performance you can expect and how much it will cost. Let's get started. Let's talk about the exterior first because this is where the 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome immediately makes an impression. Right out of the gate, its styling strikes a balance between rugged capability and sleek sophistication. The body features aerodynamic lines that not only look modern, but also help with stability and efficiency on long highway stretches. Sculpted LED headlights and a bold front fascia give it a confident, premium look that stands out at the campsite or cruising down scenic highways. Some versions even incorporate roof-mounted solar panels, giving it a distinctive tech-forward edge while supporting off-grid power needs. The overall silhouette is purposeful rather than bulky, making it easier to handle than many traditional motorhomes while still providing ample space inside. Moving into the interior, the Mitsubishi Motorhome raises expectations for how a home on wheels should feel. Step inside, and you'll find a thoughtfully designed space that blends comfort with smart functionality. High-quality materials are used throughout, giving the interior a luxurious yet practical feel. Ergonomic seating with plush cushioning makes long sessions on the road comfortable, while the living area converts easily into sleeping quarters, often with modular furniture that adapts to your needs. Many layouts include deluxe features like a fully equipped kitchenette with sink, stove, and refrigerator, as well as generous storage options that keep gear organized and out of the way. LED ambient lighting and panoramic windows create an open, airy atmosphere that brings the outside in ideal for enjoying breathtaking views while parked. Advanced infotainment systems with large touchscreens, wireless smartphone connectivity, and integrated smart home controls keep you connected and entertained wherever you go. Comfort doesn't stop with decor and layout. The motorhome also integrates smart tech for convenience and safety. Expect features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree camera systems, and night vision enhancements that make driving this large vehicle easier and safer than ever before. These systems take a lot of the stress out of long journeys, letting you focus on the adventure itself. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the Mitsubishi Motorhome proves it's more than just a luxurious living space on wheels. Powertrain options, often hybrid-based, blend efficiency with solid capability. Some configurations use a hybrid turbocharged engine setup that delivers abundant horsepower and torque, paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system that's ready for a variety of road conditions. Whether you're cruising on the highway, tackling winding mountain roads, or navigating forest trails, the motorhome's chassis and drivetrain are engineered to provide confidence-inspiring handling. Regenerative braking systems contribute to overall efficiency, while smooth automatic transmissions make driving intuitive and responsive. In short, the 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome's performance is designed to go as far as your sense of adventure, without compromising on comfort or reliability. Of course, one of the biggest questions for any potential buyer is price. Mitsubishi's 2026 Motorhome enters the market positioned toward the premium end of the motorhome segment, reflecting its advanced features and build quality. Base prices for well-equipped models start around the mid-five figures in USD, with most fully loaded versions creeping into the six-figure range depending on options, technology packages, and regional pricing differences. Typical configurations might range from around $95,000 on the lower end, up toward $158,000 or more for versions with all the bells and whistles.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Explorer for more in-depth reviews of the cars and motorhomes shaping the future of mobility.